Okay, so now we're gonna run this application in the CLI by running node and the name of the JS file, which is bamazoncustomer.js. And then we see the table here. This is our inventory, and we see a number of columns and a number of rows, and we see on each column the item ID of the product name, the department that the product is in, the price of the product, and the stock quantity. So, how many units there are of the product available in stock. So, the first question after the table comes up here is what is the ID of the item you would like to buy? So, basically, assuming the person does want to go ahead and buy, they'll answer with the ID of the item they want to buy, and that is in this column. So for example, if they want to buy a TV, then they'll choose 5. Press enter. How many items with that ID would you like to buy? So how many units of the product the user would like to purchase? Item 5, so TV electronics, $600, and there's 3 available. So let's say they want to buy 4. Well, we don't have 4, so right now I'm console logging this right here just to show that this is pretty much the what's in their database, and we're pretty much saying, hey, insufficient quantity. So we would have to exit here, and just we could get rid of this, and let's run it again. And this time, let's say yes, we want to buy the TV, but this time instead of saying we want 4, which is not available, let's say we want to buy 2 of them. Then what happens is our data here was updated. So this is pretty much what there was before. And then this 2 is how much it's being purchased. And this 1 is what's remaining. So 3 minus 2 is 1. This is just for development purposes for me to guide myself. And it says you have successfully purchased this item. And what that means is that in our database, in the backend, in our SQL, what's happening is one row is being changed. And what this means is that if we check our new table, our updated table, which populates here with item ID 5, instead of there being 3 items, now there's only 1, since the user purchased 2 of them. So our inventory has been successfully updated using the input of the user.